The parking lot of the small local airport in Lee County, Virginia. Hundreds of people have spent the night here, hoping to get medical treatment. At 6 a.m. sharp, Stan Brock, founder of the remote area medical charity RAM, gives the green light.
If you're here to see the dentist, please raise your hand.
Can you see mine?
Number 1.
Okay. Who's got 000?
Come on down. Number 2.
Okay.
Number 3.
Thank you.
Among those seeking assistance are Velvet Heron and her brother, Lum Abner Deary.
I can't afford to go to a dentist. It would cost me about $130 just to have one pulled.
Even just to see a specialist is near $200, and I mean, coming up with $200 just right there on the spot, especially around here at the end of the month, you're just scraping pennies just to get by.
Treatment here is free. The patients register, providing their names, addresses, and medical histories. Most of them, including Velvet, want to see a dentist. If she and her brother don't get treated, they'll lose their front teeth. Velvet is 46 and unemployed. Her husband is an invalid. Like many other people in this rural area, she depends on volunteer doctors. They've come from all over the U.S. at their own expense to work through the weekend. Velvet has to have 2 teeth pulled. But this dentist was able to save Lum Abner's incisors.
Sometimes the financial constraints keep patients from seeking care, so that's where clinics like this really help.
That's why Brock regularly organizes mobile clinics like this one. They're mostly financed by small charitable donations. 80-year-old Brock is an author and an adventurer who used to work on a farm in a remote part of Latin America where there were no doctors.
So I formed Remote Area Medical, otherwise known as RAM, actually to provide health care down there in the Amazon and other third world countries. When I came to this country, I found that, hey, they've got people all over the place that don't have access to health care.
Lum Abner and Velvet have been treated by the dentists.
I'm glad it's over, but I wouldn't change it for nothing in the world, you know. I'd go through it again if I had to.
Brock founded RAM in 1985. Medical care for poverty-stricken Americans has hardly improved in the past 30 years.
The Affordable Care Act, otherwise known commonly as Obamacare, was at least a good step in the right direction. Unfortunately, when it was designed, it didn't take into account the fact that adults cannot get and cannot afford dental care in this country by the tens of millions of people. And the same thing is vision care and eyeglasses.
Velvet and Lum Abner can't afford new glasses either. Lum Abner is taking a vision test. The brother and sister and more than 100 other people will be getting new glasses today.
I felt self-conscious because of my teeth and just needing new glasses. I couldn't see worth nothing, man. And I mean, it gives me back to me. That's what I like about it.
Brother and sister return home feeling better. Meanwhile, Stan Brock is on his way to his next charitable appointment.